All right, so now we're ready to look at this. You did this today in class. You should have done this today in class and been able to get all these notes. If you didn't, you're going to need to go back and watch the video and get them. And we're going to go ahead, and I told you that I would do 6 through 10 with you today. So let's do that now. If a retail price of an item is $65, retail price, the retail price is after. The markup is 50%. Okay, so this is a markup. So we're going to do 100 plus our percent. What is the wholesale price is the before. Your wholesale price is the before. Okay? So, this is after and before. After is 65. The before we don't know. The markup is 50. So 100 plus my percent is going to be 150. And that's all over 100. Cross multiply, we get 150x. 65 times 100 is 6,500. Divide both sides by 150. 6,500 divided by 150. 43. All right, so let's write this down. 43.333. I don't need repeating symbol and all that stuff. All I need is to be able to look at this right here and make it look like money. That 3 is weak. It will not change that 3. So the wholesale price is $43.33. So they're going to buy it for $43.33 and sell it to you for $65. Okay. A laptop costs $899. How much will it cost if the store is offering a sale of 24% off? It cost $8.99. And we want to know, this is going to be before the sale price. And we're looking for how much will it cost if the store is selling it. That's going to be our after price. It's a markdown. I can pick this up a little bit, I think. Now, it's a markdown. So we have 100 minus our percent. Let's go ahead and do that. 100 minus 24. Is 76. So that's going to be what we put in our bridge map. Our before amount, this is after and before. Our before amount is $899. We're looking for what it's going to be after the discount. 76% is what I'm going to pay. 76% is what I'm going to pay. So now let's do it. 100 minus, that's 100x. $68,324. Divide both sides by 100. X is going to equal 683.24. So $683.24 is the cost of that computer after the discount. After the discount. All right. A bike is being sold for 78% of its original price. Original price is your before of $85.50. What is the discounted price? The discounted price would be your after amount. So this is a markdown. 100 minus my percent. So 100 minus 78 is 22. That's the percentage that'll go in my bridge map. This is after and before. My 22 goes right there. My before amount was $85.50. And my after amount's what we're looking for. 100x equals divide both sides by 100. And x is going to equal 18.81. $18.81. Phew. 85.50 times 22. Wow. That's a big discount. 78% off. Wow. Okie dokie. Now, after a discount of 35%, here's a markdown, 100 minus my percent. You pay $35.71 after the discount, so that's your after. What was the original price? That's your before. Here I go, yawning again. After we paid $35.71, this is, all right, and so 100 minus 35 is 65. 65 is my percent because that's what I'm paying, and that's all over 100. X times 65 is 65x. 3571 times 100 is 3,571. Divide that by 65. All right, let's get it on here. So X is going to equal 54.938. I'm going to stop it right there because I just need to make this look like money, but I got to round it correctly. This 8 is a strong number. It is strong. So it's going to be able to make that 384. So it's 54.94 is the price that was the original price. The original price was $54.94. I didn't write sentences on all of those, but you really need to. You want to buy Mets tickets that cost $357.25 because the Mets stink. They offer 2 discounts. The first is for 25% off, okay? The second is a discount of 14% off the discounted price. What is the final cost? Well, that depends. Are you buying 1 or 2 tickets? So let's find, we're going to do it. If we buy 1 ticket, we're going to buy 1 ticket right here. So we got to mark down. So we know we got 100 minus our percent. So the first is 25% off. So they cost this. This is going to be your before. $357.25. 100 minus the 25% off is 75. So 75 goes right there. So So 100x equals 26793.75. Okay. Divide both sides by 100. And x equals all right, I hadn't done something right here. All right, I set everything up right. 357.25 times 75. Something doesn't look right to me. Oh, I'm dividing by 100. I know. All right. And then we're going to divide that by 100. So $267.9375. Y'all probably already figured that out. We need money. We need money. So that 7 is strong, so it's going to make that 3 a 4. So for one ticket, we're going to pay $267.94 for one ticket. Now notice what it says. The second is a discount of 14% off the discounted price, which means now we're going to take this amount right here and use it as our before amount. 14% off is going to mean we're going to pay 86%. So 86 goes right there. Now we're going to find out. This is if we buy 2 tickets. 2 tickets. We buy this ticket, and now we're going to buy another one. The next ticket is going to take the cost of that ticket and take 14% off of it. So 100x equals 267.94 times 86. 2304.84. Divide that by 100. When you divide, that's what you get. Now we need to make this look like money. That 8 is strong, so it's going to make that $230.43. That's the cost of the second ticket. So $267.94 is the cost of the first ticket. $230.43 is the cost of the second ticket. Now, you may have to sit down and go back through that with me to make sure you see what's happening. But what they did is they did a discount, took the discounted price, and did another discount. And that happens a lot. All right, so I will post these keys for you. And we are going to move on into looking at some practice. So I will be back.